students, welcome back in Learning Phonics with Teacher Lovie. And in this video, we're going to learn how to blend with long O sounds. Long O sounds, O, O, right? Now you can read and repeat after me. O, G, O, go. G, O, go. So this one we can read ago, ago. N, O, no. N, O, no. And this one, L, O, low. L, O, low. So this one we can read hello. Hello. Next, P, O, po. N, E, knee. Pony. Pony. Alright, now O, long O sounds in the beginning of the word. So this one we can read as O. O. Like, oh no, oh my gosh, right? O. This one is O with L and G, old, 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 right? This one, O, K, okay, okay, open, open. Alright, now how about with the old? Okay, old. Let's blend with the other consonants. Like for example, B, old, bold. B, old, bold. K, old, cold. K, old, cold. F, old, fold. F, old, fold. And this one, H, 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 old, hold. H, old, hold. T, old, told. T, old, told. Very good, right? Okay, next is O and E. Okay, in a word sounds O, right? So it's the ending sound of the word. So this one is D, O, do. D, O, do. H, O, ho. H, O, ho. D, O, do. D, O, do. T, O, to. T, O, to. Do, ho, jo, to. Alright. Now another one is O with W. O, W sounds O. So O, W in a word sounds O. This one, B, O, bo. B, O, bo. B, old. So this one is O with the L sound, old, old, right? Don't forget, L sounds, your tongue will be up behind your front teeth. Old, old. Let's blend with B, B, old, bowl, bowl, B, old, bowl. Right? Next, L, O, low. L, O, low. B and L sounds bl, bl, bl or blow, bl or blow. Alright. S and H sounds sh, sh, sh or show, sh or show. Alright. G and R blend gr, gr or grow, gr or grow. So we have bow, bowl, low, blow, show, grow. Alright, now O and E in 4-letter words sounds O too, and then blend with the middle letter sound. Okay, for example, so this sounds O, blend with N sound. So own, own, own. So this is B on bone, B on bone, K on cone, ice cream cone, K on cone. Alright, now this one is O, blend with sound, M sound. Okay, so om, 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 om. Blend with h, om, home, h, om, home. Right? Now this one is op, 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 op. Blend with r, op, rope, r, op, rope, rope. Okay, now this one all blend with s, os, os, os. Blend with r, os, rose, r, os, rose. Alright. Now O and A sounds O, and let's blend with the T sound. Okay, remember letter T sounds T, T or T, T, T. Okay, so this one oat, oat, oat. Okay, so this one oat sound, ending sound, let's blend with B. So this is B, oat, boat, B, oat, boat, B, oat, boat. And this one K, K, oat, coat, K, oat, coat, K, oat, coat. Very good. Now this one is G, 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 oat, goat, G, oat, goat, G, oat, goat. Now F and L, F and L, fl, 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 oat, float, fl, oat, float, fl, oat, float. Alright, now let's try to read the sentences below. We have 3 sentences below. Okay, first let's read this is goat, g, oat, goat. This one is k, oat, coat, k, oat, coat. This is k, old, coat. goat in the cold boat. One more time. The goat and coat in the cold boat. Can you try? All right. Very good. All right, now let's go to number 2. Do old Joe. To old told. Who old hold. Cook on comb. Book on bone. So let's read. Joe told me to hold a comb and a bone. One more time. Joe told me to hold a cone and a bone. Can you try it? Very good. Now let's go to number 3. Okay. So this is book or bow. So here bow is the name. Book or bow. Shoot or shows. Root or rose. Group or grows. Book or bowl. Hook on home. Alright, let's read. Bow shows a rose grows in a bowl at home. One more time. Bow shows a rose grows in a bowl at home. Alright, okay? Can you try it? Very good. So that's how to blend with long O sound. Okay, keep on watching and practicing how to blend with long O sound. Till next time, goodbye.